Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this video I'm just going to show you my biggest loss in one of the cash market trades. Basically, the stock is advanced enzymes. I took this trade during this breakout last December. I've been holding this trade for almost 4 months now, and it finally it did not hit my stop loss. Something went wrong. I'll tell you what happened. Okay, I made losses more than what I anticipated because of certain reasons. So let me just explain you in detail about what happened today. I just realized it today. Okay, I was quite shocked. Basically what I do is I just set alerts for my stop loss, for my first target, second target, something like that, and that's how I exit, be it stop loss or my target. For the advanced enzymes, my stop loss was below this. Basically, let me explain the trade first so that you understand. So this is the triangle pattern, and you see that there is a breakout, correct? So this is where I entered 303, okay, and I put my stop loss below this one, okay. So this is below this one. This is where I put my stop loss, and my expectation was it will hit at least 1 is to 1.25. That was my expectation. So even when I was in a little bit of profit, obviously I can't exit it because it doesn't serve my risk reward, right? So that is why I was holding on to the trade, patiently holding through these months. For 2-3 months it was just hovering around this trend line, and finally it kind of gave a breakout, but again it failed. And only very recently, today I got to know that the stock is here. Usually I keep a stop alert here. Ideally my stop loss, the alert that I set is my stop loss, okay. Unfortunately, I don't know how I missed it. I did not previously I'd set an alert, but somehow it got deleted, or I don't know what happened. There were no alerts, and now you may ask me, then why didn't you see the profit and loss console and exited manually or something? So I have this practice of not looking at the profit and loss console for my cash market trades, to improve my psychology, which I've stated in my the psychology, how to improve psychology video, right? So I religiously follow that practice to improve my psychology in improving my trades. So I usually, what I do, I just set my alerts both for my stop loss and my targets, so that I can enter and exit without affecting my psychology. So that has been my plan. But this I've been doing it, like, this is what I usually do, and I've been doing it for 4-5 years, the same technique. But this is the first time I missed an alert, which is a huge mistake. Okay, this is fine. Ideally, see, the thing is, I kept an alert of 303, right? Oh god, just a moment, guys. 303, and my stop loss should have been this one, some 11%, okay. Instead of that, it is more than 14 to 15% now. My loss is around 14 lakhs. Ideally it should have been 10 lakhs. So this mistake costed me like extra 4 lakhs loss. It's okay, it's still not something huge that I can't accept it or something, but still I've learned my lesson. So going forward, what I'm gonna do is just make sure that I put alerts for all the stocks that I'm invested in, and stop loss hit is fine, that is completely normal. But what happened today, to this particular trade, is something careless, which a full-time trader shouldn't be doing, which is fine. But okay, these things tend to happen. You cannot be 100% perfect because it's not automated. That's how it works. So I wanted to make this video just to keep you aware that don't do this kind of a mistake.